heater's dead.
Alright, so, wouldn't surprise me, I guess. Well, it's a nicer, warmer day. I'm going to be working on getting that thing done. I'll probably go do a log on my Fiero, and then Paul's hopefully will be able to go out and tune it a little. As long as we can figure out, he's got like a really bad oil leak on his valve cover. We don't know what it is, so hopefully it's something stupid, but we don't know. So yeah, that's pretty much the game plan for today's video.
Today?
Yeah, well, we gotta go Home Depot or something.
Alright, I want to blow off the motor. There's a lot of metal shavings on it. I want to go buy some compressed air.
Oh, yeah. Well, we could probably shop vac it out.
Yeah, we can do that too.
And then, yeah.
There's like metal shavings on everything.
Yeah, because I gotta get some more hardware for that, for my windows quarter panels. So, oh, and then, dude, that was a bitch to get off too, by the way.
What?
All that tape. Had to flap disc it off.
Hey, look, it's not blue anymore.
I mean, it's still over there. It's a good thing I flap disced it off, because if you can't just paint over it. You can see where the tape is, and it cracked.
Nice.
Like when it dried, it cracked.
Yeah.
But either way, still looks good. You can't really see that shit. It'll probably get covered eventually anyhow, because I plan to put another layer of fiberglass on there. I guess we'll see, because this is just like the first version. The next time I remake these, it's hopefully going to be in carbon fiber, because race car. I just hope that it'll be easy to pull the mold off of this. I did it on cardboard before, so you know it should. But yeah, let's get to work, and you know, you guys heard the spiel for what we're doing today, so let's do it. Alright, there should be like the third layer of Bondo on here now. This side's getting pretty close, and now I just got it focused mostly up on like this back piece here, or it's like the top, and then I put a little on the back here. But yeah, then we'll wait for this to dry, sand it, and see where else we got. So let's wait. Well, I ran out of the filler primer, so I ended up having to use just etching primer that I had laying around. And it's like OD to green, and it actually looks pretty good on the car. I slapped it on there. So maybe that might be a thing I do in the future. So, but yeah, right now we're going to, I'm going to drill out these holes real quick. There's actually one hidden under here. Drill those out, and then we'll paint it black, and then put it on the car. So let's get this thing. So, I tried to cover up this Pontiac that the previous owner had fucking put in there, but it didn't work very well. I'll have to probably sand it a little bit further. And then here's the driver's side on there. So I run into the fucking thing. And, yeah. Looks not the greatest. It's probably worse than the other. It is worse than the other side. It's got all these, like, little imperfections. I'm not worried about it. Many things getting on there. I did paint the backside black, and it looks a lot better. So, I'll end up having to pull this side off again. And like you can see right here, this one just needs to basically be wet sanded. You know, I've got a couple of spots, but either way, I'm fine with it for right now. I got bigger fish to fry, so. But yeah. And Paul's over here trying to track down some leaks. from my understanding. So,
welding gloves?
What'd you do now?
Well, I gotta grab that exhaust, and it's hot.
Well, I guess you should have thought about that. But yeah, Paul's over there trying to track down some leaks and all that shit. So, and then he put in his oil gauge, his new oil gauge. You got one glove.
All I need.
So. But yeah, let's see, we got this new one. Fancy. And he also got his tablet to work too for being connected to micro squirt. So there's that. And then we're hoping we can figure out just idling crap.
Feels too high, I think.
But yeah, we think it's running way too rich, which is causing it to basically it's running too rich that we have to have the throttle open too much for the idle screw. So, but who knows? We'll figure it out. So that's the update. I'm not too sure what else you'll see, and yeah, probably see a little bit of tuning and driving in this one, and then I also got to go do a pull in well, not a pull, but gotta go log for the Fiero, I mean. So that's where we're at. Alright, so I got the front ones on there, and then I just made that side piece right there. That's pretty much what I'll cut out of the fiberglass, and then like this little slivers up there I can deal with later. Because I'm going to fiberglass it from the back, and we can just like bondo that shit. So, but yeah, let's, well actually we're going to dick around with the aeroplane, and then we got to go to like Home Depot and get like hardware, and Paul needs hardware for his oil or his valve cover. We're just kind of all over the place today, so I'm sure if you're confused, if you're not confused yet, you will be. So, but yeah, that's where that's sitting. I suppose show you from this side. Looks pretty sweet. So that's it. Well, unfortunately, GoPro is full, so I didn't really get to film it. But hey, now you get to see our successful launch. So, oh fuck, man, I think I fucked.
I think it's done.
Well, we might try and find another body, or we might make a speedboat out of it. So, we'll see. Alright, so I got those side pieces cut out. They gotta get trimmed down a little bit, but they're in there. So, but yeah, looking pretty sweet. And once that's all fiberglassed in, I'll remove all of these little guys. There, and yeah, hopefully it doesn't like bow or anything like that. That would really suck. So, but yeah, I might have to cut reliefs in the back or something like that. So, but we'll see. But yeah, we'll continue on. I don't really know. I gotta go drive the Fiero, I guess. So I'll go and do that. Log a tune, and then we'll see where we're gonna go from there. Turbo flutter is amazing. But yeah, That's what I was staring at. Had to make sure I don't hit fucking knock, but that was a fucking awesome pull. I didn't think I hit any fucking knock retard, so that was fucking awesome. It felt good. What did we hit? We hit 3 pounds of boost, so I mean they can't really see it, I guess. So that's pretty good. Pretty good. So that was fun. Okay, so as you can tell, we're dark now. So things that have gotten done today. Damn it, I did a lot. I don't remember. We painted the driver's side quarter. I tried fixing this little back piece here. I mean, it looks a little bit better, but and then we took it out for a little tune, or like just a log. Then we cut these out for the sides there. We made the front pieces there. And then Paul over there has gotten oil pressure gauge wired in. He's done an oil change. That's it.
Most of the time I was trying to figure out where the leak was.
Yeah, he's just been trying to figure out leaks. We went to Home Depot, Taco Bell.
Oh, yeah, I did those bolts on the valve cover.
We put some bolts in these holes in the valve covers, hoping that that's what's leaking.
Because there was oil in...
Yeah, somehow oil was up here, but the oil cap's not leaking. Like, there is no fucking way for oil to get there. We took off the valve cover. We didn't see any cracks.
Yeah, it was suction cupped on there.
Yeah, so we don't fucking know.
But there was oil in these bolt holes.
Yeah, the bolt holes had... Those bolt holes that we put the black bolts in, they had oil in them. So, we're hoping somehow the oil's coming out of one of those. So, it's the only thing we can think of because there was no oil anywhere around the outside. Yeah. It was just inside. So,
just by the spark plug.
Hopefully that's it. You put your headlights on yesterday. Yeah, that's how we kind of monkeyed around with like how it looks today. So that's just like his old intercooler. Then we had like the little front piece up there. We're kind of just eyeballing things we want to do. Kind of thinking about doing a bash bar on the front.
Someday.
So
not this.
Yeah, someday.
Not this summer.
Not this summer. Probably next winter or something. We'll see. See what happens. But yeah. We probably wanted to hear there's still a little bit more to be done. So we'll keep going. Alright, well, we're not really accomplishing any much more. Paul's just kind of wiring up headlights, but we're not going to like finish them tonight or anything. So, gonna end it here. Gonna do a live stream. See you in the past. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.